Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys all of the items that I was able to score while penny shopping at the Dollar General. This was a quick penny shopping. I went immediately after work, but I was still able to find a lot of great things. Let's get into it. So some people are still unsure about penny shopping and the whole concept of it. Basically, whenever Dollar General discontinues an item, it's supposed to be pulled off the shelves, but sometimes those items get missed. And when they do, the system marks them down to just 1 penny. Now, here's the fun part. If you're able to find one of these items still on the shelves and you take it to the register, it might ring up for a penny. I've seen people score toys, home decor, beauty items, and even like seasonal stuff for basically nothing. But let me keep it real with you. Penny shopping is not guaranteed. These items aren't technically supposed to be sold, so some stores will sell them and some won't. It really depends on the manager and the location. Now, for starters, you see that $0.00 on my app. I downloaded the Dollar General app, which has a built in scanner. That's the first key to making this whole thing very beneficial. You want to have the Dollar General app on your phone. I'm in a couple of Facebook groups and I watch other YouTube content to see what items people have found in their stores that ring up as a penny. So I kind of keep a mental note of like what items to look for when I'm in the store. Also, they claim that the penny list drops like every Tuesday. I know the past 2 weeks there hadn't been a penny list, but there was one that dropped this week with a whole list of like new penny items and stuff. So the list dropped this Tuesday. Today's Wednesday. I went immediately after work to try to see if I can find any of these items. I saw people on Facebook had found a lot of mugs and a lot of plates since Tuesday, all within like 24 hours, right? So I made a mental note of the plates and the mugs that they found, and then I went to the Dollar General, opened the app on my phone, and I started scanning mugs and plates. Now, when you scan the item, you want to look for, it's going to say $0.00 on the phone if it truly comes up as a penny. That's how you're able to tell if it's a penny item. If you scan it and it says, $2.50 or $3, then that's not a penny item. You want it to say $0.00. Now, there are going to be times where it comes up as $0.00 on your phone on the app, and when you get to the register, it might be full price. Like, I've seen that happen. I've seen people tell the stories about that. But I mean, it's fun. This is like a sport. You know what I'm saying? It's nothing to get really worked up about. So these are the mugs that I found. They're ceramic mugs. They're really nice. I think I'm going to give these away as gifts. But yeah, these are the mugs that I found from the first location. So this is a location where the cashier kind of hesitated on selling me the penny items. After she asked another associate, they were like, yeah, go pull the rest. So she wasn't happy that she sold the penny items, but whatever. That's why I put the sad face for how my experience was at that store. So I'm at the next location, and I don't know if y'all saw, but that cashier at the other one, she was kind of getting jazzy, but I just tapped to pay, and I saw a lady online with this. Yes, this is a win. So this is a penny. This rib fluted bowl. Cashier was getting kind of cute with me, and I just tapped to pay. Because what pissed me off is I was looking on their app the other night for items, and it said they had a lot of them in stock. And now when I get there, they're magically not on the floor, but they're still saying they're in stock. So it just leads me to believe that somebody did something facetious. That's just my belief. I'm good. How are you today?
Good, beautiful. Hanging in here.
Hold on one second.
Sir. Oh, 1 cent, Fred. Hey.
All right, thank you. Have a nice one. Can I get the receipt? I'm sorry.
Yes, you go, Fred. This is for the non-believers.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Let's check these plates. See what they got going on. I've already scanned this at a lot of stores, but I'll do it. 50 cents. 250. Let's try these little plates. I had already scanned these. 50 cents. I'm gonna just go straight up and down. Ooh, I saw somebody with these. I saw somebody with these. Yep. Penny. Okay, hard to give somebody this and it looks crazy. Whatever, I'll just take it. They're gonna just toss it. Okay, let me check this plate. So not that one. Check this plate. Ooh, not y'all had it tucked back there. Not y'all had it tucked in the back. Okay, that's regular price. Y'all really tried to hide these? Who's hiding items? I mean, you really tried to hide it. So selfish. What is wrong with you? Anywho. Oh gosh, how did I overlook all of that? Okay, so I'm gonna probably grab all of those. I don't think it's this style, but I know that it's this one in this black little thing that says John and Michael. These are gonna be like amazing gifts. Yeah, it's an amazing find. Oof. I was getting discouraged with the whole penny shopping today because today is Wednesday evening and I know that the list dropped. Some people got it like Monday night, so I just been busy with work and I haven't been able to take off to go penny shopping. It's a high peak season for my job right now, so I just haven't been able to step away from the computer, but let me just scan one more just to be sure. But yeah, I think these are all, they say $0.00, so they're a penny. So yeah, I'm gonna clear them out. But yeah, I've been busy, so I haven't been able to penny shop like I would want. So these are the salt and pepper shakers that I picked up. I got 16 in total for 16 cents. So I think this is like maybe my third or fourth Dollar General. Not sure. After this one, I know it's one more that I want to go to, and then I'll be done for the night. We're on the plate aisle again. I wonder how much this holiday thing is. $2.40. Is it round? I have a square table, so that doesn't work. Not bad. Not bad. What? It's a mess over here. Whoop. Okay. 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 I was getting discouraged for a second. Here we go. Okay, so here's my first find. I was getting discouraged for a second. I'm not gonna hold you. I was like, wait a minute. And it was this one. Okay, let me try, ew, that's gross. So let me try this design. Did I scan this one already? Yo.
And I'll just triple check. But yep, it's a peony. I was getting so discouraged. I was getting like really worked up. Like, damn, I drove all the way out here and they don't have that stuff that y'all be talking about on the TikTok. But they got them. Okay, cool. Well, I think I looked through like everything. As I'm going through the aisle, I came across someone's cart that has the same mugs, but I'm gonna leave it behind. I already got like 20 of them, and I know they do such an excellent job packing them for you, so I'm gonna just keep what I have. But yeah, at least there's some for everybody. See, they do be trying to pull items. If you don't pull them, pull them. Why are they just sitting there? It's so weird to me.
So yeah, curiosity killed the cat. That abandoned cart with all the pulled items, I went and grabbed most of the mugs out of them. I left like two.
Alright, so I'm in my last Dollar General for the night. It's starting to get dark out, and I just don't really feel like driving. So I'm gonna look through here really quick. Once again, it is a mess in the store. Why are these stores so messy? Why doesn't anybody care? Anywho, I'm gonna scan a few random items, see what we get. Oh shoot. Okay, this is the one that I got at the other store. I don't know what this decor is supposed to be, but yeah, it was a penny at the other store. I'm gonna grab that one. Life begins after coffee. Okay, this looks like it could be a penny. Yes, it just looks like very bland. That's why. But it looks like it could be a penny. Okay, cool. I want these plates to be a penny so bad, but they're not. Oh, this looks like one. Ooh, one more mug. That one right there, I know for sure is a penny. A penny. Oh, this is the bowl that goes to that mug I just got? Okay. Oh, and there's one more mug tucked in back there. Okay, so the bowl is $1. I'm trying to get this mug back here without breaking anything. To go through the fire, through the ringer to get it. Okay, I'm getting distracted. Those lemon ones are not a penny, but this one is. I think I got this at the other store. Yeah. I'm gonna get up out of here. Okay, guys. Well, I think I'm done here. A total of 2, 4, 6 mugs. Not bad. Not bad. Just going off of what I know. I mean, maybe if I was to scan like everything else, maybe I'd find something else. But I'm tired from work, so don't feel like it. But not bad for 6 cents. So here we go.
Okay, guys, so I did run into one more store. I know, I'm sorry. And I found These little like they look real summertime-ish to me, but they have a little leaf on it. I found those for a penny. So here's all my receipts for my penny shopping on Wednesday, January 21st. 6 cent. This one came up to $1.45. That's because I had got a Coke to drink. This one was like 27 cents and another 6 cent receipt. So yeah, I went penny shopping Wednesday, January 21st. Even though the penny list had dropped Tuesday and people was out there all day Tuesday, I went Wednesday after work and I was out from about 5 p.m. to about 8 p.m. and I still was able to find good finds. So don't get discouraged. If you go well into the week, once the penny list has dropped, you'll still be able to find something. Like, I even went penny shopping on Thursday, January 22nd, and I found some of the best items I've come across all year. I got to work on that content and I'll try to get it uploaded this weekend. But if you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. All right, you guys, take care. Have a nice one.